Today we're going to make the origami piece crane. It looks like this. It is also a model that has been around for a long time. So let's get started. So you need a square sheet of paper. If you don't have one, take a piece of paper and fold this corner to the edge. Now, as you notice, I have glue right here. Well, I ran out of origami paper, and since I normally use one-sided paper, color on one side and one on the other, I had to make my own by by taping these two, a white sheet of paper to a blue sheet of paper. So, we are making the square base, so I have to go crease back on this fold, because I did it the completely wrong way and I didn't even notice that until I made this video. And you do the same with the other side. With the blue, start with the blue side up and fold this over here. Just like in the square base. Flip it over, fold this over to here, and fold this over to here. And push these into the middle and flatten it out. You don't normally have to flatten out, but I do because my paper is really stiff. Now do what you did in the flapping bird. Create the bird base. Fold this to the center. Excuse me if this is taking a long time for me to fold. And fold this into the center. Do the same with the remaining two. This paper is really stiff. It's like folding with construction paper. Now fold this back and open these up. Take this and push this up. Now fold these into the center, just like we did in the Flapping Bird tutorial. And once you start getting really good at doing it, you might be able to stop folding it back and doing all that so it doesn't take you as long. Normally I just fold it into the center, except for when I'm doing my videos. Now take these edges, they should be able to open up like this, and fold them into the center. Do the same with the other side. Okay, now open these sides up and take the bottom and pull it up, like some people do when they make their flapping birds. And, you know, make the beak. Now, there are two ways you can finish off the crane. Well, first of all, if you want to, you can pull this out I don't do it this time. There's a little bump in the middle. You can pull these wings down while you're blowing this out. And as you can see, since this is pretty stiff paper, I have to really blow hard and maybe pull it apart. It's like how you pull it apart if you ever made the rose or the squishy blob. So you've blown the hole in the bottom while you pull the wings down. Or let me just fold these back in. You can take it and you can fold the wings down like this and then sort of prop it up. To me, the way that looks best is the one where you blow into this hole right here while you pull down the wings. Because it's like it's flat. It can go just like the other one. In fact, you can do both at the same time. You can also fold these wings down and pull them apart. And it gives it a more natural look than what I just did. Because when it's blown into, the body flattens out and there's not a point at the top. So, there's their peace crane. Thanks for watching.